No.
Where's the phone?
My phone is on the bed.
Huh?
On the bed.
On the bed. Mama, what is this?
Why would keep it? That's the freshener to make everywhere smell nice.
It was that turret. Is it that turret?
Yeah. Welcome back to another video. So today we're vlogging. I know it's been a while I vlogged. Yeah, I've just been so busy. I haven't had the time to just vlog, but then this week is Mother's Day. I just thought I should just gather some content just to show a little bit of my day-to-day with the kids, and yeah, I hope you will enjoy it.
The leader from the teeth. From those teeth is good. Baby double. Those teeth clean. Like old. So the happy children. From those teeth.
Madam, pick up your brush and brush your teeth.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. Fight a lot, don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now.
So I just changed my camera, and this camera has a view so you could literally see yourself as you are filming. So I think this madam just loves to see herself in the view, so you'll find her in front of this camera just displaying and just enjoying herself, feeling herself more like. So get ready to get entertained. It's a school day and I'm just getting the kids ready for school. I'm just packing Mara's lunch. Joshua doesn't take packed lunch because he eats school dinner, so he'll be eating in school. Once they're gone, I'll just get myself ready for the day, and then I will start to clean the house. Usually most of the cleaning is their room, because that's usually the messy place, the messiest place rather in the house, because obviously the kids spend most of their time there. So I'll just clean their room and then just go about my day.
Super barbecue.
wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet, let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I'll take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher. You're my only desire, yeah. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. Feel the rising heat, feel the moving beat. I know what you need, singing oh na na, oh na na, dancing in the sun.
Yesterday was Mother's Day and I got some flowers for Mother's Day, but I just never got around to just sorting them out and putting them in the basket because I've been so busy through the day. But yeah, so since I have the time now, I'm just doing that.
I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight, I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want.
I need to take time to find time rather to take care of my plants. They look like they need some love and care, and I've been so busy. Like I said, I haven't really had time to do anything to them. All I do is just feed them water, but they really need some grooming, so hopefully over the weekend I'll do that. Yeah, some of them died. I think about 2 of them died, which I actually think I've done so well. Like out of about 8 or 9 of them I bought, just 2 died. The rest are still okay and they're thriving. So yeah, I've done a good job. So yesterday was Mother's Day and I couldn't help but just reflect on my journey as a mother. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be called a mother. I actually don't take it for granted. I consider it a blessing. So I was just reflecting on my goals, like goals I made as a mother, which to me was to be a very intentional mother. So I just wanted to be very intentional with my parenting way or method or skills or whatever you want to call it. What I have promised my children, obviously saying it to myself, but I think I owe it to them, is to be very intentional with the way I raise them as a mother. And this is relating to everything about their lives. So it could be big things like their relationship with God, their education, all the way to the little things like the toys they play with. I really want to be intentional with those things. And another thing I promised myself was not to raise an ignorant child. Ignorance is one thing that will cost you so much in this life. So the constant prayer is, God grant me the patience, God grant me the strength, God grant me wisdom, you know, to keep going. Yeah, so let me stop rambling and wish you guys happy Mother's Day. Yeah, just to let you know you're amazing, and to say God bless you for the sleepless night, God bless you for the sacrifices, and I pray God just continues to give us the strength, you know, and the wisdom so we can raise well-rounded children, because that's my goal. It's not an easy job. Parenting is the hardest job in the world, but I know with God and dedication, commitment, I know we can do it. So happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there, and also happy Mother's Day to mothers to be, potential mothers in the future. If you ever plan to have children, happy Mother's Day to you. Smoothies are my go-to breakfast. Anytime I'm just lazy to make anything for myself to eat, I just make a smoothie, and just that's really enough to just start my day. And I'm trying to stop taking any dairy products, so I try to take milk that don't contain dairy, yogurts that don't contain dairy, and yeah, so that's what I try to do just to help, because I really got bad acne, and I've been told one of the things that might be causing my acne is dairy products. So I'm trying to stay away from them, even though it's hard. Sometimes I take them, but yeah, I try as much as I can.
Your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body, we were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love. Every breath that we're taking.
I want to make fish stew for lunch, so I've actually got everything I need. The only thing I don't have is the bell peppers, what we call tatase, the long, actually sweet peppers. Actually, I keep mixing them up. Is it the sweet peppers or the long peppers? Anyway, the long ones. I'll show you guys what I mean. So I like to have that more than the tomato in my stew. So I realized what I have won't be enough. So I just want to pop to the shop to get that, and then come back and start making lunch. So I'll be taking you guys with me to the shop just to show you what I'll be buying. So I guess the camera said no. The moment I got to the shop, the battery died, so I couldn't film. Anyway, so this is what I meant. This tatase, I don't know if it's the sweet pepper or the bell pepper. I just keep mixing them up. I don't know the difference in the label, but yeah, in Nigeria we call it tatase. So I'm just prepping my things for the stew. I have a fish stew video on my channel. If you're interested, you can just go through my channel. I have a fish stew recipe already I've posted if you're interested.
promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven, yo sé que tú quieres. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven, yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz. Recupera la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny.
We will be eating the fish stew with some white rice and some veggies. So I'm just adding some butter to the veggies and to the rice. And that's basically the end of this video. I hope you actually enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so that I will know that you actually enjoyed it and I can make more videos like this. And also, if you haven't subscribed and you've watched till this stage, then please subscribe to the channel. I've got more content like this and I've got more I'll be uploading soon. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Tan feliz, sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz.